This week I don't have a very concrete result because while working on this post I realized that there were some issues regarding some power measurements that have to be made better. But in trying to continue with my regular posting, I will show the results that I got. So this time I wanted to study the effect of the heat source size on the temperature that a heatsink reaches. And the purpose of this study is to make equivalences between measurements made with heaters that are essentially resistances and LEDs. But because they have different sizes, I want to know if these equivalents can be made. So that is the purpose of this study. I use this heatsink, our 76 millimeter wide heatsink with a length of 9 centimeters. This is a photo of the way I install the heaters. This is the biggest heater with 7.6 centimeters per side, and this is the small heater, 5 centimeters by 1.3 centimeters. This is a side view. As you can see, this is the black anodized heatsink that I use, and the heatsinks were installed with fins up, with passive dissipation, natural convection. The results are the following. I won't get into too much detail because it's too much data for making this video. However, what is important is are these numbers here. So just when I was working with the numbers, I realized that there is a big difference in between the power given to the big heater and to the small heater, and this difference is actually my mistake because I will have to correct this and make this difference as small as possible when multiplying the voltage and the current given to the heater. By minimizing the difference, then I can study if the difference in temperatures is actually exists, or whether there is not much difference in the temperature that is reached. So as you can see, for example, for the smallest power that was around 1 watt, there's a difference calculated between that big and that small heater of 15.2%, which is just too much. The difference in the temperatures is, however, very small. However, I can't obtain very concrete results with these kinds of differences. So I will have to redo these measurements in order to study this issue. And that's it for this week.